Oh, walking down the jungle trail, feet on the ground, heart set to sail. Day 6, we left Placencia area and drove 30 minutes to Maya King Waterfall. You enter and pay at the gate just off the highway, then drive about 10 minutes through orange groves to the bamboo cathedral and then parking lot. Other than paying at the gate, this place was abandoned, and we explore that towards the end of the video.
Totally swimmable, and it's not dirty. Oh, I see now, Megan. There's one up there.
Rain, the air so sweet, the Maya King's calling where the waters meet. Rows of orange trees line the way, their bright fruit gleaming in the day. The sun peeking through the leaves so wide as we step closer to nature's pride. Maya King, you're a sight to behold. Two falls cascading, powerful and bold, gushing in the rainy season you wore. Nature's showerhead, we're begging for more. From the bamboo cathedral, we see the light. Maya King, you're our paradise tonight. Through the bamboo, we hear the creek, a peaceful sound that feels so unique. The cathedral's canopy, it stretches high.
That's only kind of creepy. This used to be a pee trough, men's bathroom. Look at the original stairs. Those are pretty dangerous looking. Let's see why they made these.
Where the birds fly by, we make our way to the deck above. Heartbeats racing, full of love. We leap from the wood, the water's cold, into the plunge, a story untold. Maya King, you're a sight to behold. Two falls cascading, powerful and bold, gushing in the rainy season you roll. Nature's showerhead, we're begging for more. From the bamboo cathedral, we see the light. Maya King, you're our paradise tonight. Water sprays, we feel the mist. In this jungle world, there's no twist. The world can...
We go over here. How slippery are we talking? Not slippery. Not too bad.
We're here to stay. Maya King's magic takes us away. Maya King, oh, a sight to behold. Two falls cascading, powerful and bold, gushing in the rainy season you roll. Nature's showerhead, we're begging for more. From the bamboo cathedral, we see the light. Maya King, you're our paradise tonight. So we stand at the falls, wild and free, the sound of the water, just you and me. Maya King, you've captured our soul. In your beauty we found our goal. Maya King, forever we'll hold. Maya King, forever we'll hold.
Look at this abandoned place. Their wall is cave wall. So cool. And then look at this shower. We're guessing this is the bed. Look at... Not in there, not so much, but in here. Look at this shower. There's that. This is a cave wall. So cool. Whoever designed this is super cool. It's like pretty much a well abandoned as far as we can tell. Like the stairs from there come down into this cave part, and then they go this way to where the river comes underneath the whole place. To an abandoned kitchen, or maybe it was never used in the first place, we're not sure. Another little cave. I'm gonna turn my flashlight on. Back out of there. What does that say? Another cave bathroom. Unfinished cave bathroom. That little cave right there goes back. There's like an opening that you could nutty putty cave yourself in. Upside down, kill yourself in there.
What's that all about, Megan?
Nothing. There's some cinder blocks up here, but
Another
go
three
deep at all.
finished project. This is so weird.
Yeah, and nobody's here.
Yeah. And this is
Totally abandoned, and it's so cool.
much money worth of like shit right here.
Yeah,
It would cost so much money to do this. And it's like not being utilized at all.
yeah. And these have not been built recently. This is super old. This is a great swimming spot here. Beautiful. Could go off of that vine.
Water sprays, we feel the mist. In this jungle world, there's no twist. The world fades away, we're here to stay. Maya King's magic takes us away. Maya King, you're a sight to behold. Two falls cascading, powerful and bold, gushing in the rainy season.
We really love this waterfall. It was probably our favorite in Belize. We wanted to learn more about it, and there wasn't much to Google. So if there's anybody that knows the history of this waterfall, the Maya King Waterfall, please post in the comments. Stick around. Tomorrow we'll head to the Belize Barrier Reef, 15 miles out on a boat.